You know, when I wrote this book, I thought I was just doing it for me. I thought I was just doing it to inspire myself, to prove a point ukuthi I can write a book too, not realizing ukuthi my courage inspired someone out there. You know, sometimes we do things thinking that we are doing it for ourselves, not knowing ukuthi someone is benefiting from our story. So always remember that your courage inspires others. Whenever you do something, someone is watching you. And when you win, they win. It could be your friends, it could be the people you spend most of your time with, it could be even ifamily yakho. When you win, when they see you winning, when they see you conquering your fears, they feel and see ukuthi it's possible for them as well. So remember, your courage is never just for you. When people see you face fear, they believe that they can too. So always share your story, because you will never know who you're inspiring out there. You will never know who is also watching. Whenever you take that brave step, always keep it in mind ukuthi there is someone who is following you. There is someone who is watching you, and they want to do the same thing that you are doing. And when you give up, they give up. Futhi especially nje mawumzali, your kids look up to you. You should be the first point of reference when they want a role model, or when they talk about their role model. They should be able to say, oh, Itama Lami, that's my role model. Next. Oh, Oded Lami, that's my role model. Because you've been courageous, and now they believe ukuthi they can do it too. But when you give up, they will grow up believing ukuthi no, we inherited this from our parents. Because nami I grew up in a very bad environment. Besingekho grand family, but I never looked at my situation and made it determine my destiny or determine where I was going. Instead, I told myself, I'm going to craft a different story. I told myself, I'm going to write a different story. As I said before, don't look at your chapter 4 and compare it with someone's chapter 12, because you don't know. Focus on writing and crafting your own chapters, and that is when your life will change. So always remember, when you do something great, remember that your courage inspires others, and your courage is never just for you. This is Mthokosi Nkosi, the author of this book, Step Out of Your Comfort Zone and Start Living Your Dream. And please get yourself a copy of my book.